Welcome back to Auto Culture, your one-stop channel for deep insights into defense technology and military power around the world. Today, we turn our focus once again to Nigeria, exploring one of the most remarkable air defense systems ever deployed, the Roland Air Defense Missile System. This short-range surface-to-air weapon is designed to protect military bases, armored formations, and vital installations from enemy aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles. Let's dive into how this European-made system became a significant part of Nigeria's air defense network. The Roland missile system was originally developed through a joint venture between France and Germany during the Cold War. It was designed to counter low-flying aircraft threats that radar-guided and anti-aircraft guns of that time couldn't effectively engage. Over the years, Roland evolved into a highly mobile and reliable system, adopted by several nations around the world. Nigeria, aiming to strengthen its layered air defense network, integrated the Roland system into its defense arsenal to counter aerial threats and enhance national security. Nigeria's acquisition of the Roland system marked a major step in modernizing its ground-based air defense capabilities. The system is mounted on various platforms, often on armored vehicles, which makes it mobile and ready for rapid deployment across different terrains. This mobility is essential for Nigeria, a country with vast and diverse geography. The Roland's ability to move with armored units allows it to protect convoys, ground forces, and strategic locations, especially in conflict-prone areas. The Roland system's primary component is its missile launcher, usually mounted on a tracked or wheeled chassis. It carries 2 or 4 ready-to-fire missiles that can engage aerial targets at short range. The radar and optical tracking systems onboard give it a distinct edge, enabling operators to detect and track targets even under adverse weather or electronic warfare conditions. The Roland's dual-mode guidance, radar and optical, ensures flexibility, allowing it to continue operating even when radar jamming or countermeasures are present. When it comes to performance, the Roland missile has an effective range of around 6 kilometers and can engage targets flying at altitudes up to about 5.5 kilometers. The missile travels at supersonic speed, reaching its target in seconds. This quick reaction time is one of its most valuable traits, making it effective against fast-moving fighter jets or attack helicopters attempting to penetrate low-altitude defenses. In the Nigerian context, the Roland system fits well into the layered air defense strategy that includes both man-portable systems and vehicle-mounted platforms. Nigeria's goal has been to create an integrated defense network capable of responding to aerial threats of different magnitudes, from small drones to advanced aircraft. The Roland's ability to be linked with radar command centers and other defense systems makes it an ideal component of such a network. Another key feature of the Roland system is its versatility. It can operate in both autonomous and network modes. In autonomous mode, the onboard radar and infrared systems detect and track targets independently, allowing the crew to respond quickly without external guidance. In network mode, it receives data from central radar systems, improving situational awareness and coordination with other units. This adaptability is crucial for a country like Nigeria, where defense operations may vary between urban centers and open terrains. The Roland system also offers impressive operational reliability. Its missiles are stored and transported in sealed canisters, protecting them from harsh environmental conditions. This feature is particularly valuable for countries with tropical climates, like Nigeria, where heat, humidity, and dust can affect sensitive equipment. The sealed design ensures the missiles remain ready to fire even after long periods of deployment. In addition to its performance and reliability, the Roland system demonstrates technological sophistication. Its infrared seeker allows it to home in on targets with precision, even when radar tracking is limited. The system's reaction time, often just a few seconds from detection to firing, gives it a tactical advantage in fast-paced air combat environments. In practice, this means that an enemy aircraft flying low to avoid detection could still be engaged effectively before it has a chance to strike. For Nigeria, integrating the Roland system also represents a step toward self-reliance in defense management. Although the system was imported, its operation and maintenance have provided Nigerian defense engineers and personnel valuable technical experience. This knowledge contributes to the country's long-term goal of establishing a sustainable defense industry capable of handling advanced technologies. The Roland's combat history adds to its credibility. It has been used by several NATO countries and deployed in various regions around the world. Its performance in real-world conditions has proven its effectiveness and adaptability. For Nigeria, this means acquiring a system with a proven track record and a design tested under different combat environments. When you look at Nigeria's defense posture, the Roland system complements other assets such as radar installations, anti-aircraft guns, and man-portable air defense missiles. Together, these form a comprehensive air defense shield capable of deterring or defeating low-level air attacks. This is especially important given the modern threat landscape, where nations must prepare to defend not only against traditional air forces but also against unmanned aerial vehicles and precision-guided munitions. The integration of the Roland system into Nigerian service also reflects the country's strategic partnerships. It demonstrates Nigeria's ability to cooperate with European defense manufacturers and benefit from their advanced military technologies. Over time, such collaborations strengthen defense diplomacy, training exchanges, and maintenance capabilities, all of which contribute to a more capable and modernized armed force. The Roland's compact and efficient design also means it can be deployed in a wide range of operational settings, from defending air bases and power plants to protecting convoys on the move. For a country like Nigeria, where infrastructure and military assets are spread across a vast area, this flexibility ensures that the system can be used effectively in both defensive and offensive operations. Looking at the future, Nigeria's continued investment in systems like the Roland will likely play a vital role in building a multi-layered air defense network. As technology evolves, upgrades such as digital radar, faster missile guidance systems, and integration with drone surveillance could further enhance the Roland's effectiveness. In conclusion, the Roland air defense missile system is not just a piece of hardware, it represents Nigeria's growing commitment to safeguarding its skies and maintaining strategic deterrence. Its combination of mobility, precision, and quick response makes it one of the most valuable assets in the nation's air defense arsenal. The system's presence reinforces Nigeria's resolve to defend its territory against any form of aerial aggression and highlights the country's progress toward modern, integrated defense capabilities. Thank you for watching Auto Culture. If you enjoyed learning about the Roland air defense missile system and Nigeria's defense power, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring the world of military technology. Stay tuned as we continue uncovering the machines and systems that protect nations and shape global defense strategies.